Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today, I will demonstrate how to design a day and night toggle button in Figma. Take a rectangle and round its corners to 100. Duplicate the rectangle and reduce it to a circle. Add icons of the sun and moon to the extreme sides of the main rectangle. Select all the objects we've created and merge them into a frame. Create a component and then generate 4 different variants of it. Next, we will modify each variant of this component. Extension to the circle in the second and third variants will help us in the creation of a smooth animation. Navigate to the Prototyping tab and begin crafting animations. We're ready to see the result. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. See ya!